Well, hello there guys, I'm Christy and welcome to my kitchen. So today I have a one pot meal for you. So delicious. It's a creamy Italian sausage, potato gnocchi dish, and it's all made in one skillet, so you can't beat it. I've got my ingredients here on my counter. I'm just going to go over those with you as I make it, but the full recipe will be in the description box below. But we've got to get started, guys, because it's that time to get cooking. All right, so what I have here is 1 pound of Italian sausage. All right, I'm going to add a half of a yellow onion that I have diced. And I'm also going to mince 2 garlic cloves. All right. And I'm just going to cook this sausage until it's completely browned. All right, I'm also going to add a half of a teaspoon each of oregano, basil, and thyme, but you can use Italian seasoning if you want. And I'm going to give a pinch of salt and black pepper. All right. Then I added 1 zucchini that I have quartered and cut into small pieces. But you could also add some spinach, peppers, really any vegetable that you want. It's just a great dish to throw those vegetables in there. So I added 1 can of the fire roasted diced tomatoes, but you could use just regular diced tomatoes. And then I added 1/4 of a cup of water to my can, just to get out all the extra juice. And now I'm going to add 1 cup of half and half, or you could use a light cream. All right, then I have 1 package of potato gnocchi. Now you can get these at Walmart, or most grocery stores will carry them. And I'm just going to add them directly to my pot. And they will kind of absorb this liquid here. And I do have a video from several years ago, actually, that shows how to make homemade potato gnocchi. And I love to make a big batch of it and keep it in the freezer for meals just like this one. I just didn't have any in my freezer. But if you're interested to learn how to make potato gnocchi from scratch, it's super, super easy, and I will give you the link to that video in the description box below. All right, the last thing I'm going to do is add about a half of a cup of grated Parmesan cheese. And I'm just going to sprinkle it in a little bit at a time. All right, guys, well, that is all there is to it, and it looks so delicious. You guys got to come check this out. This is so delicious, and you could use ground beef, even ground chicken or turkey if you wanted. All right, guys, well, thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.